Good morning students, let us continue with maximum and minimum sums. A piece of wire of length 100 centimeter. So there is a wire of length 100 centimeter is cut into two pieces. One piece that is bent to form a square of side x and other is bent to form a circle of radius r. So this 100 centimeter is only being converted to square and also circle. Is it clear so far? Okay, the total area enclosed by the two shapes, area of this plus area of this is given by capital A. Express R in terms of X as we did in the earlier questions. 100 has to be the total perimeter of square and circle together. So 100 equal to perimeter of square is 4x plus perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Perimeter of circle is nothing but its circumference. From here I need to make r the subject. So r equal to 100 minus 4x by 2 pi. Am I clear with this? With that we completed A. Now look at B1. Show that A equal to this much. So our A is nothing but sum of areas of square and circle. So area of square is x square and area of circle is pi r square. Which letter is missing over here? I don't have r square over here. So I need to make r the subject and replace it in this. Okay. So that becomes x square plus pi into r square. But how much is r square? I don't know, right? So let us find out r square over here itself. Before that I can cancel 2 over here. So now it is 50 minus 2x by pi. To get r square I need to do square on both sides. Now square applies to the numerator and denominator. Denominator becomes pi square. And in the numerator it has to be a minus b whole square. So it is 50 square plus 4 pi square minus 2 into 2. 4 into 50 is 200x. This is r square. I used a minus b whole square in the numerator and denominator, just applied square. Now replace it over here. How much is 50 square? 2500 plus 4 pi square minus 200x by pi square. Observe what gets cancelled now. Pi and this will get cancelled. Next, the LCM will be pi. So here 1 should become pi means into pi. When I am doing it here, even over here. So it is now pi x square. Here no need to multiply. So I write as it is. 2500 plus 4 pi square minus 200x. Clear? Is it of this form that he wants us to get? He took x square common. So I also take x square common from these two. It is 4x square. It's not pi square, 4x square. So I take x square common, it becomes pi plus 4 plus 2500 minus 200x by 4 is my A. I got what he wanted me to show. Are we clear so far? Now C bit. Stationary value of A and determine the nature. To find the stationary value of a dA by d of which letter is there on the other side? X. So x equal to 0. Let us do that first. So denominator leave it like that. Pi plus 4. For x square it is, denominator is pi. For x square it is 2x. For 25 it is 0 and minus 200 x is 1 equal to 0. Pi goes to the other side, becomes 0. So now it is pi plus 4 into 2x equal to 200. 2 and 100. So x equal to 100 by pi plus 4. Okay. but I want the stationary value of A. So again, place in this calculator, you will get use that answer key to get A. A equal to pi plus 4 into answer square plus 2500 minus 200 into answer by pi will give you the answer for A to be 350. Are we clear? Moreover, he wants us to determine the nature. To determine the nature, I need d square A by dx square, which is pi plus 4 into, for 2x I get only 2. This will be always positive. So its nature is minimum. Am I clear with the sum? So many parts are involved in one single sum. First, get what he is asking us to get, asking us to show, then stationary point, then determine the nature of it. Now look at next sum. The diagram shows an open water container in the shape of a triangular prism of length y centimeter. I couldn't draw it. Understand it. It's a triangular prism. Triangle at the front and at the back. And the length of it is y. Triangle, triangle, and its length is y. And the vertical cross section of an at the front and at the end, it's an isosceles triangle whose sides are 5x, 5x and 6x. The water container is made from 500 centimeter cube of metal sheet. So what will be 500 centimeter cube? That will be the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but, in this case, that 500 centimeter cube. Sorry, it has to be 500 centimeter square. So metal sheet of 500 centimeter square is used. So that 500 centimeter square will be the area, what all making that container. Okay, so far. Shall I write this 500 equal to area of both the triangles plus area of two rectangles? I will get a rectangle on this side as well as on the other side. It's like this. Here it's a triangle. So this rectangle area plus this rectangle area both will be same. That is this one. And this triangle is nothing but area of two triangles. It's like this, triangle here, triangle here. So these two rectangles I wrote as their area here. So now what will be area of two triangles? You can see 5x, 5x, to get area of it I am dividing it. So how much will this become? 3x and 3x. Since it's an isosceles, it becomes. So here it's 90. So if this is 3x, this is 5x, this I get to be 4x by Pythagoras theorem. Shall I show? Okay. 5x whole square equal to 3x square plus h square. So this is 25x square equal to 9x square plus h square. That implies h square equal to 16x square, h equal to 4x. So height of that isosceles triangle is 4x. So now what will be the area of it? Half base into height. Base is 3x, height is 4x. Since like that two triangles are there, do it into 2. Same thing with area of rectangle. Breadth of the rectangle will be 5x and the length of the rectangle will be y. Like that two rectangles are there, so it is 2 into. But why did we do all this? Read the first one. Express y in terms of x. By doing this, you make y the subject. That will be your first bit answer. Okay, let us simplify this. 2 will get cancelled and here it becomes 12x square plus 10xy. I need to make y the subject. So y equal to 500 minus 12x square. by 10x is my first bit, which is completed. Now look at second one. Show that volume equal to this much. How do I get volume of any prism? Volume of any prism is nothing but base area into its length. Here the length is y. What is the base area? Base of this prism is a isosceles triangle. What is the area of that isosceles triangle? Half 3x into 4x will give me only this part of the triangle. Over here something went wrong again. If I take only 3x, I get only this part. To get the entire triangle, I need to make it here 6x. So it becomes 24x square. So here also I get 500 minus 24x square. I got that idea over here. It's 3x. If I take the base, I get only this half of the triangle. So I need to take the entire triangle, means I need to assume here, get here 6x. So now it becomes 12xy is my volume. 12x square y. Now he doesn't have y, so I need to replace y from here. So v equal to 12x square into 500 minus 24x square by 10x. X and x gets cancelled. So multiply and by 10 will result in 600x minus 144 by 5x cube. This is what he is asking us to show. Am I clear? If I take the base to be 3x, I get only half of the triangle. To get the entire triangle area, I need to take the base to be 6x. Is that difference clear? Don't do that mistake. If you take 3x, you get only this area triangle. To take 6x, you get the entire area triangle. Entire area you will get. Okay. Let's continue. Let us see the C1. Find the stationary value of v, means dv by what letter do I have on the other side? X equal to 0. For 600x it is 600 minus 144 by 5. For x cube it is 3x square equal to 0. So LCM it is 3000 minus 144 into 3 into x square equal to 0. So x equal to square root of 3000 by 144 into 3. Which will be 5 root 10 by 6. He is not asking us for v. Change it to x. We got x. Our sum is done. Now show that it's maximum. For maximum, I need d square v by dx square. How much will I get? For 600 it is 0. And it is minus 144 by 5, 3 into 2x. X is positive, this entire thing will be less than 0, so it's maximum. We showed it. Am I clear? For maximum or minimum, it has to be double second derivative.